Welcome to the Black Rabbi's latest drop, where he full sends this flying machine unlike anything you have seen before. This is about one thing and one thing only, to show the bitches how he does it without giving two shits what others think. That's why we are proud to announce his latest drop titled Shake That Titties and Ass, because there is no other choice. It's full send or no send, no questions asked. So please pull up a chair and relax. LOL, not. This is the real full send, where no filters are needed, no special gimmicks, just pure titties and ass all over your face. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that.